All right, let me open this box up. If I can't set you somewhere. All right, let me get this set up and come back. Okay, got it all set up. Let me just tell you, this is real easy to set up. Didn't have to use one tool to do it. These things here just slide down on there, click into place. This one did the same thing, slide down on there and click into place. And then it would just wrap the cord around that. Stick the actual plug itself inside here. It actually has a little place to plug into. Let me show you. Yeah, you see the little prongs? Just plug it right in there. Like it's going into a wall, so it hangs onto it. That's pretty cool. And then just hook up your wand. Right there's your water outlet. Plug it in, turn it on. So, let me tell you why I got this. I was just so tired of dealing with my gas compressor. Pressure washer. It was just, it seemed like it just never wanted to start. It was like a battle, you know? So, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get an electric one. So I went on Amazon and bought one. So anyway, let's try this out now. One-handed. Alright, so now I got the water in there. I think I got it turned on. Let me see. I turned it on once. See what it do. Oh yeah, that's cool. Very cool. Let me get you set up. All right. So there we go. Got it all cleaned up really nicely. Don't know how good you could tell the difference on the camera, but in person, really 100% better. Yeah, so this compressor is really nice. I really like it. It's kind of like a paint can't think, paint sprayer. It's kind of like that. That's what my buddy said too. It acts just like that, you know. When it needs more air, it gives it to you. Kind of turns on like a sewing machine, and then you're good for a while. But anyway, well, yeah, the one thing I really like about this electric pressure washer is it came with that foam cannon, which I put on there obviously to clean it all up. It's part of the attachment. And the other thing is everything's just right there, so when you put it all away, it'll look cool. All right, let me clean up here and we'll get back to you. All right, got it all cleaned up. Everything put back in these little caddies, which is pretty cool. Got the cord all rolled up. Water hose disconnected. Pressure hose all rolled up right there. Pretty neat little design right there. You can put a little strap on it to hold it on there. And then the wand and all the stuff right there. All right. All right, well that works really nice. Really happy with that. Really glad I bought that. Probably the best $250 that I spent in a while. That's how much that thing cost, was 250 bucks. But anyway, yeah, I'm really happy with it. Alrighty, guys and gals. That'll be it on this video. Till the next one. Thanks for watching.